Ladies, do you have a favorite wig that seems to be all matted and tangled up? Do you feel like just throwing it away because it seems as if it can't be saved? Then stick around and I'm going to show you just two products that will help save money and your wigs. You always want to start off by either using a big detangling comb or finger combing your hair. That is very important, and it's very important when using this product. Next, you want to grab some plain old water, H2O, and you want to put it in a spray bottle and you want to spray down your hair after you detangle it. Next, I am grabbing my Smooth Through Detangler and I am going to use it as a co-wash. This product is all natural and can be used on any type of hair, men, women, boys, girls. It doesn't matter if you're straight, if you have a chemical, if you're natural, if you have a perm. And you just want to be sure that you completely saturate each section with water and the Smooth Through Detangler. As you can see, this product is not only good for natural hair, but for weaves and wigs as well. You can already see that this wig is coming back to life right before your very eyes. Once again, guys, although this is Smooth Through Detangler, it can be used as a cold wash. And this is a wonderful thing because now you don't have to worry about anything with sulfur in it stripping your extensions of its natural luster. Now I am just working in that product and I'm going to allow it to sit for about 20 minutes and then I am going to rinse it out. Now I have rinsed out the Smooth Through Detangler. Guys, look at how amazing my unit looks. It is absolutely gorgeous. The comb is just smoothing through with no lumps, no tangles. I'm going to go ahead now and apply some of the Perfect Assist Styling Aid. What this is going to do for my unit is it's going to fight the frizz, it's going to eliminate any flyaways, and it's going to give me the most definition that I possibly can get with these curls. After applying, I am going to comb through. Guys, look at those curls. Absolutely amazing. I am going to continue to apply ample amounts of the Perfect Assist Styling Aid to my unit. Once I do that, I am going to continue combing through to make sure that the hair is completely coated. Once it's completely combed through, I am going to allow it to air dry. Y'all, honey, I feel like I have struck gold, baby. TM Hair Products, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart because for those ladies out there like myself, we get tired of spending our hard-earned money buying new wigs, buying new hair, because the hair starts to get rough, it starts to tangle, it starts to mat, it starts to get ratty. We are tired. And let me tell you, I know that I have found something that will forever help every wig wearer. If you have a wig and it's nappy, all you gotta do is co-wash it with TM hair products. I'm telling you right now, I approve this product. My hair is about right now 10% wet. The rest of it is dry. And the simple fact is this: I still have a lot of movement as if my hair is soaking wet. You see that? I have so much movement. The thing I like about this product most is I like the feel. Like when I feel my hands actually feel like I have satin on them. My hair, it feels so silky and so smooth. And what I guess I want to say last but not least is the fact that when this hair is dry, it still looks like it is wet, guys. It looks like it's wet. Normally when this hair dries, it gets big. It gets about this big, and it looks like a cotton ball, and it has very minimum curls. Like the curls are not defined whatsoever. Get into these curls. Look at how defined they are. And the movement is amazing. You know, this product is so nice. My hair isn't hard and stiff like how when you would put mousse on there or even some eco style. None of that. Look at this. You can see for yourself. If someone was to come up and say, "Hey, can I touch your hair? It looks so soft." They're going to be totally convinced that this is my natural hair, that this is not a weave, and that I have absolutely no product, because it feels like nothing is in my hair other than some type of silk. That's all. You guys, please make sure you check them out. Follow them on Instagram, follow them on Facebook, follow them on YouTube, wherever they at, follow them. Stay in touch with them. Don't lose touch with this company, because this company definitely will save you a lot of money, because they about to save me a lot of money. I'm about to dig up all my old wigs that I was going to be throwing away or giving away to people, and I am going to be co-washing them. And the thing I like about it is the detangler, it's not only a detangler, it's also a co-wash. So, I mean, it doesn't get any better than that, guys. It absolutely doesn't. I love it, and I know you guys will love it too. So please make sure you check them out. Don't forget to use my code so that you can get the Power Pack discount, which is 15% off when you type in TM15. It don't get no better than this, guys. Thanks for watching. Please look for more reviews, because I am going to be digging up all my old wigs. I'm going to dig up my old wigs. I'm going to, hair that I had that I was going to throw away, I'm going to go ahead and bring all that hair back to life, honey. I am going to be saving a pretty penny thanks to TM Hair Products. Thank you all so much for watching and dealing with me for this long review, but it was definitely worth it, guys. I mean, I love it. I absolutely love it. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.